we're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you.
Victor and his colleagues restored our Mankato basement bathroom. To say the least, the finished product was fantastic. This was the final step in completing the basement renovation that we began a few years ago. It is now ready for visitors and relatives, and we can show off the renovated bathroom. Our Mankato Bathroom Remodeling provided us with a competitive pricing and excellent workmanship. We would enthusiastically suggest them to all of our friends.
As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care, and it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. So, the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Give us a call to experience our impeccable service today, or call to ask us any question you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.